Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Skin pores are like small pits on the face that appear like an orange peel. These pores cause the face to look dull and aged. People with oily skin are prone to this problem. The pores can also lead to complications like blackheads and acne. Factors like stress, genetics, and unhealthy skincare also give rise to open pores. The skin loses its elasticity as you age, making the condition worse. There are many ways to minimize the occurrence of skin pores. The market is full of products that claim to offer relief. But why to spend so much when the solution can be found in your kitchen shelves? What are open pores? There are plenty of pores on the facial skin that help it to breathe. When these pores become enlarged, they are visible to the naked eye. These large pores on the skin are commonly seen in oily and combination skin because such skin types produce more amounts of the natural oil, sebum. In today's video, we will discuss some remedies which you can use to avoid complications like acne and blackheads and get rid of large open pores. Here we go. Number 1. Aloe Vera. You will need aloe vera gel. Apply some aloe vera gel on the pores and massage for a few minutes. Preferably use fresh aloe vera gel for this. Let the aloe gel sit on your skin for 10 minutes, then rinse with cool water. Applying aloe vera gel every day will soon shrink your pores. Why this works? Moisturizing the face with aloe vera helps to shrink large pores. The gel cleanses and nourishes the skin and removes oil and dirt from the clogged pores. Number 2. Egg white. You will need 1 egg white, 2 tablespoons oatmeal, 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Take the egg white and mix it with the oatmeal and lemon juice. Make an even paste. Apply the paste on your face and keep it on for 30 minutes. Rinse it off with cold water. Apply the paste twice a week for beautiful skin. Why this works? Egg white tightens and tones the skin, which helps in shrinking the enlarged pores. Egg masks are excellent remedies for open pores and can also be used to treat virulent forms of acne. Number 3. Apple cider vinegar. You will need 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon water, and a cotton ball. Dilute apple cider vinegar in water, dip the cotton ball in this and apply the vinegar on the face. Let it air dry. Use apple cider vinegar as a skin toner every day. Why this works? Apple cider vinegar is known to cleanse the skin and also shrink the pores. It acts as a toner and tightens your skin. It also reduces any inflammations. Number 4. Papaya. You will need a few pieces of ripe papaya. Mash the papaya and apply it on the face. Leave it on for 20 minutes before rinsing it off with water. Repeat this remedy every alternate day. Why this works? Papaya helps in toning and tightening the skin pores. It deeply purifies the skin by removing impurities and unclogging pores. Number 5. Baking soda. You will need 2 tablespoons baking soda, 2 tablespoons water. Make a paste by mixing soda and warm water. Apply the paste into the pores and massage gently in circular motions for about 30 seconds. Rinse it thoroughly using cool water. Use this remedy once in 3 to 4 days. Why this works? Baking soda has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that helps in reducing complications like pimples and acne. It helps remove dead skin cells and other impurities. Baking soda regulates the skin's acid content and maintains its pH balance. That's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and the tips shared in. The home remedies in this video can help to reduce or diminish the pores effectively and cheaply. Believe it or not, they work wonders. Give it a try and share your experience in the comments. Stay tuned. Goodbye.